Today I'm going to talk about the male reproductive system, specifically about two parts, the function and the anatomy. First of all, the function. It is a series of organs used during the sexual intercourse and procreation. And it is specialized, this male reproductive system, to produce two different things. To produce sperm cells and the famous hormone testosterone. Secondly, we have the anatomy. The structure of this system includes three things: testes, the scrotum, and the penis. As you can see here in this picture, we have it: the penis, the testes, and the scrotum, which covers the testes. First, I'm going to start with the testes. They are the organs in which the sperm and the testosterone are produced. There are two of them. You have one on the left, one on the right. The testes consist of groups of tiny coil tubes where millions of sperms are born. This production starts during the puberty. You can see here in this picture, inside of the testes, we have many coil tubes. In the internal structure of the testes, two parts are important: the seminiferous tubules and the interstitial cells. As you can see here in this picture, we have it inside of the testes, the seminiferous tubules and the interstitial cells. Right? The seminiferous tubules, they manufacture and store the sperm. There are about 1,000 of these tubules. An average ejaculation contains about 300 million sperms, which is a lot. And then we have the interstitial cells. They produce testosterone. These cells are located between the seminiferous tubules, as you can see here. The hormone testosterone controls the development of adult male characteristics. These include different things such as the broadening of the shoulders, the ability to produce sperm, the deepening of the voice, and the facial hair. Then I continue with the sperm. Each sperm has two parts: a head that contains the chromosome and the long tail. You can see this picture. I have a sperm here, the head and the tail. The chromosomes carry the information that control inherited characteristics, such as the color of the eyes, and the tail help the sperms swim in the fluid. After the sperm is formed inside of the testes, it passes into a single tube, which is called the epididymis, where it matures. We observe the picture here, where right after the testes, on top of the testes, we have the epididymis. Upon ejaculation, this sperm goes from the epididymis into the vas deferens, which opens into the urethra. There are three other glands that produce secretions inside the male reproductive system, which help to form the semen. They are the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, and the Cowper's glands. You can see the picture here. We have the location of all these three glands. Very important. The seminal vesicles, they are two and produce about 70% of the seminal fluid. The prostate gland, it produces about 30% of this seminal fluid. And it produces an alkaline fluid which protects the sperm from the acidity of the vagina. And last, we have the Cowper's glands. They are two. They secrete also an alkaline fluid which allows a safe passage of the sperm through the acid urethra. The last part of this reproductive system is the penis. This is the male external sexual organ, which functions both in sexual activity and in urination. Internally, the penis has three long cylinders of spongy tissue running parallel to the urethra. As we can observe here in this picture, there are the three different parts that I'll just explaining to you. The two bodies lying on top are called the corpora cavernosa, and the single one lying on the bottom is called the corpus spongiosum. Okay? You can see here in the picture the three different parts. The urethra runs through the middle of it.